Breaking news that could change your financial situation overnight. Congress has just passed the long-awaited $5,000 stimulus check legislation that millions of Americans have been hoping for. This is not a drill after months of negotiation. The bill has received final approval, and direct payments are set to hit bank accounts in just 72 hours. Are you eligible for this financial boost? How will the payments be distributed? And what crucial steps must you take right now to ensure you receive your money without delays? WealthWave has all the details you need to know in today's urgent update. If you want to stay on top of this breaking story and learn how to maximize your stimulus benefits, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. Your financial future may depend on it. Historic stimulus package passed. This newly approved stimulus package is one of the most significant economic relief measures in recent history. After weeks of heated debate and multiple revisions, Congress has finally reached a bipartisan agreement that prioritizes direct financial assistance for American households. The highlight of this legislation? A massive $5,000 direct payment far exceeding previous stimulus amounts. This reflects the ongoing financial hardships many families are facing as recovery efforts continue. Let's break down exactly what just happened in Washington. Earlier today, the bill successfully cleared both chambers of Congress with overwhelming bipartisan support. Initially stuck in negotiations over payment amounts and eligibility requirements, mounting economic pressure forced lawmakers to agree on the $5,000 figure, significantly higher than the initial proposals of $2,000 to $3,000. The president is expected to sign the bill into law within hours, having already voiced strong support. In an unprecedented move, the Treasury Department has been preparing for implementation weeks in advance, ensuring that payments can be distributed within just 72 hours. Who qualifies for the $5,000 payment? The eligibility requirements follow patterns from previous stimulus programs but with some key changes. Individuals earning up to $75,000 will receive the full $5,000. Married couples filing jointly earning up to $150,000 will receive $10,000, $5,000 per person. Heads of household earning up to $112,500 will qualify for the full amount. Phase-out thresholds: payments will gradually decrease for individuals earning between $75,000 and $100,000 and for couples earning between $150,000 and $200,000. Those above these limits will not receive payments. Bonus for dependents. A major difference from previous stimulus packages is the increased benefit for dependents. Each qualifying dependent, regardless of age, will add an additional $1,500 to the household payment. For example, a married couple with 2 children could receive $13,000, $5,000 per adult plus $1,500 per child. This change addresses the growing financial burden faced by families supporting dependents during economic uncertainty. Payment distribution timeline. Compared to previous stimulus efforts, this rollout will be incredibly fast. Here's what to expect. Direct deposit recipients: if you have direct deposit information on file with the IRS, expect payments to arrive within 72 hours after the president signs the bill. Paper checks, mailed within 2 weeks, with lower-income households prioritized. Expect delivery within 1-3 weeks of mailing. Payment tracking: the IRS will reactivate the Get My Payment tool within 24 hours of the bill's signing, allowing you to track your payment status and update direct deposit information if needed. Tax implications. Like previous stimulus payments, this $5,000 check is not taxable income. You won't need to report it on your tax return, nor will it impact your tax refund or liability. These payments are considered advanced tax credits designed to provide immediate relief without affecting future tax obligations. Expanded eligibility. This stimulus package includes expanded eligibility, ensuring more Americans receive aid. Adult dependents, including college students and disabled individuals, now qualify. Mixed-status households with non-citizen spouses will qualify if one spouse has a valid Social Security number. Qualified non-citizens with work authorization and Social Security numbers are now included. If you haven't filed taxes recently, don't worry. Non-filers, including Social Security, Railroad Retirement, SSI, and VA beneficiaries, will receive payments automatically. However, if you have dependents, you may need to take extra steps to claim the additional $1,500 per dependent. What if your income has changed? Economic impact and best ways to use your payment. Economic experts emphasize that this $5,000 payment is meant to address ongoing financial struggles like debt, housing costs, and inflation pressures. Previous stimulus amounts were helpful but insufficient to generate long-term economic stability. This larger payment is expected to stimulate local economies through consumer spending, debt reduction, and essential services. If you're receiving a stimulus check, consider these smart financial moves. Pay off high-interest debt to reduce financial burdens. Build or replenish emergency savings for future stability. Address essential expenses, such as healthcare needs or home repairs. Inflation concerns addressed. Officials assure that inflation concerns are being carefully managed. This one-time payment differs from ongoing government spending and is expected to limit long-term inflationary impacts. With supply chain issues easing and price stability measures in place, experts believe the overall economic effect will be positive. Final thoughts. This is a game-changing stimulus package that will provide much-needed relief to millions of Americans. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and share this video with friends and family who need to know about this critical update. Subscribe to Wealth Wave and turn on notifications so you never miss an important financial update. We'll be tracking every development and providing you with the latest details as the distribution process unfolds.